Hello, what is up everybody, RO57 here, back with yet another diecast car video. In today's video, we will be checking out this Mercedes AMG GT3 24 Hours of Spa 2022. Now this is basically newly released. Basically this is Tarmac Works and GruppeM Racing. Now I basically got this from the Two Monster shop. You can go check them out, their store out, link in the description down below. And yeah, so today we're gonna review this Tarmac Works X GruppeM Racing. And as you can tell, it's quite different to this time, as we don't actually get the physical box, outer cover box, the sleeve, I don't know how you want to say it. Instead, this time you just get a regular paper sleeve, as they call it. You basically just get a regular sleeve instead of the box that covers the whole acrylic case. So yeah, quite interesting on that one. You basically just get this sleeve right here, which is yeah, quite interesting. Mercedes AMG GT3 24 Hours of Spa. And yeah, overall the box design is pretty nice. It follows the car very much, which is pretty cool. There's the car inside of its acrylic case. Let's move on to the top. So it says Hobby 64, and you have more of that design. It's more to like that galaxy dark purplish blue sky, I would say, which is extremely nice. Moving on to the back, quite simple. You don't really have any of the drivers or racers, no picture of the car actually at all. But yeah, Tarmac Works GruppeM Racing. But yeah, I will try to slot in some pictures of the actual car so that you can actually see the actual car, even though it's not actually present on the box itself. Because as you all know, normally it would come with some pictures if you have the actual big box. Instead, this time does not. So I'll try to show you guys some pictures along the way for the actual car. So yeah, on the base right here on the bottom of the box, it says Tarmac Works, Tarmac for Good. Mercedes licensing right there. Mercedes AMG GT3, what is that, 24 Hours of Spa, GruppeM Racing. There are the racers, Mero, Angel right there, M Book, I think that's how you say it, and M Grenier, Michael Grenier, if I'm not mistaken, that's his name. You have the Tarmac Works socials right there, and there is the barcode if you do need it. But yeah, let's go ahead and take it out from the sleeve right here. Yeah, quite a simple sleeve. Let me just show you the box. The sleeve looks absolutely nice. You have this starry night background, which I do really like. It actually is apart from the car's design. GruppeM Racing right there, GMR at the background, which is nice. I do really like it. But yeah, there is the sleeve, I would say, kind of, I want to say. So you do get something at the bottom of the box. It's not your typical book or anything. It's just a certification card, sadly. So Tarmac Works GMR GruppeM Racing. You have this similar design like just now. The Starry Night with this orange Thunderbolt design. I don't know. I think so. That's how I would describe it. The Tarmac Works socials at the bottom right there. Here's the back. Mercedes AMG GT3 24 Hours of Spa, GruppeM Racing, and I got chassis number 1962. So that's near 2000. So quite interesting. As our previous AMG GT opening, which is the Moon Eyes. Basically we got 100 or 200 something which is pretty good. No, sorry, not the Moon Ice. It was the Liquid Moly Bathurst 12 hours, I think. We got like 100 plus number, which is pretty good. This time we actually got 1962, which is quite near to 2000 piece, which is quite a lot. But yeah, here we have the Mercedes AMG GT3 in this awesome looking design and color, I would say. Overall, I'm quite a fan of it. This might be one of the best looking designs, if you ask me, compared to the blue Tarmac Works AMG GT3 that we done a review of previously, which had a big tarmac design on the side. This one, on the other hand, let me show you the base. Tarmac, Mercedes AMG GT3, 24 hours of spa, GruppeM Racing. This, on the other hand, looks awesome. Just look at the design running from the front to the back. That looks nice. The sides as well. Like, that's just great, I would say. GruppeM Racing GMR right there. Overall base is pretty solid, I would say. It's pretty nice. I mean, it's not too simplistic. I mean, you have that similar design towards the sleeve just now that I showed. So yeah, but I don't see what's the purpose of not including a mini like booklet and as well as the box itself. So yeah, that's quite sad, I would say. If it were to have the box and the mini booklet, this might be the best, one of the best AMG GT3s that I've ever opened. But well, it does not. So yeah, we'll have to see on that basically. But yeah, this is one of the best designs, if I'm being honest, basically. But yeah, let us take a look on the car outside of its base. First of all, obviously I have to commentate about the design. The design's just everywhere. It's like you just made up the design after like seeing the sky, seeing the night sky, the purpley design with the like stars and everything is just quite mind-blowing, if you ask me, for like the whole AMG GT lineup that I've ever done previously. This is just wonderful. I mean, this design, like, it's just everything. But the only thing is, if you look at it once, you might not even know what team did this come from actually. At first glance, I already seen the pictures previously. I mean, of course, you know, Tarmac, they like to like show the pictures earlier of what cars coming out for each month for pre-order and also releasing worldwide. Well, when I see this car, I didn't actually notice that it was from GruppeM Racing or GMR or anything. The design was nice. And from that day, I said, yeah, I definitely have to get this one. So I waited and waited until at one point I saw one of their like Tarmac Works live streams where they showed what's near to its pre-order, and basically you can nearly get it already basically. Well, this was one of the cars and it was just magnificent. Just that you can't really tell from its design. It's actually like its specific team. Like its specific racing team, I would say. Like if you look at the Moon Eyes, you already knew that it was Moon Eyes as it's yellow and black. It's typically the only like version with yellow and black basically. And then when you look at the blue and silver, you would think that it could be like Tarmac Works, of course, or maybe something like themed after blue and orange, or maybe something like that. You can already tell that it's like out of that design. But when you look at this car with this design, it just doesn't really tell you that it's actually GruppeM racing, and basically it's hard to tell what design it's from. So I would say the design's great, everything's nice, just that it's a bit lack of branding, I would say. That's the only part. I mean, the sponsors, I do see some sponsors, we'll have to check on that out as well. Maybe like stick out a GMR on the side, that would be nice actually. Yeah, I think I would recommend them like putting the big GMR design on the side. But this is just a replica, I would say that. Tarmac just they replicate what the actual car looks like. So it's not really Tarmac Works' fault. It's just that the design that they originally made was just it's great, just that they're like missing something out of the car. That's the only problem. So let's start off from the side right here. The rims are basically in black, as you can tell. Pirelli rims right there. Love the red, orange, and purple design on the side right here. You have this like logo right here, which actually says Affalterbach. I'm not sure if I'm saying that correctly or not, but yeah, it does say something. I think that's like maybe in German, I'm not sure. You have the number 55 on the side right here as their racing number. You see GMR right there as their license design right there. Sonic, purple, some purple livery right there. Tarmac right there, some more white design right here. White plastic side mirrors right there. Moving on to the front, you do have the transparent headlights right here. You have some rain lights, I believe. Oh, fog lights. You have the Mercedes front grille, front splitter right here as well. Some red and orange striping right here. Pirelli right there. AMG logo right there. And GMR, which is GruppeM Racing. You have this awesome looking purple and orange design all over the car, which is awesome. So Fanatec windshield banner right here. Regular windshield tint, blacked out interior. Some more starry design, I mean, for the roof and everything. Number 55 racing number again. For the rear window, yeah, basically nothing actually. It doesn't really say anything right there, which is interesting. Here is the other side if you're wondering. Pretty much the same thing as the right side just now that I showed you guys. Basically the same thing. The racers right there, the racers names. So AWS right there on the side of the spoiler. 55 years for the spoiler right here on top, which is nice. Here's the rear of the car, some red striping right there, orange stripes right here as well. Mercedes logo, what is that? Sponsor Pro? This is Pro right there, number 55. You have a massive rear diffuser as well as the air intakes at the back right there. So plastic, matte black interior, I mean base, sorry, not interior. Tarmac Works, Mercedes-Benz AMG GT3, made in China. So to me personally, I want to say that this is actually currently my favorite AMG GT3 designs out of the 5. I would say, even though it's my 6th AMG GT3 for now, I would say this is one of the best, one of the greater designs, I would say. I love that like starry night design, the feeling of like that great design right there, just absolutely stunning. GruppeM Racing, they did a great job. I would say I don't really have much complaints other than the fact that they should maybe put the GMR on the side of the car. But yeah, it's pretty nice to be honest. The whole design of the car overall just looks fantastic. I do really like it. Overall, it's quite an insane AMG GT3 and I do really love it. But yeah, there you go. That is my review of the Mercedes AMG GT3 in the GruppeM design, basically. 24 hours of spa. But yeah, there you go. That's my video for today. I don't really have a preview for the next video, but what I'm planning to get for my next AMG GT3 would be the MAN filter Mercedes AMG GT3, which was, I believe, a Bathurst winner, if I'm not mistaken, which is in yellow, which is also coming soon in Tarmac Works page. So yeah, I am gonna get my hands on that, but I won't be showing you a preview today, but maybe for my next video I will feature that car as my next video for the AMG GT3 lineup. But for the time being, yeah, do stay tuned, do subscribe to my channel if you want to check out that video in the near future. But yeah, there you go. That's my review of the Mercedes-Benz AMG GT3 GruppeM Racing. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.